Alright, let's look at the practice exam 3, problem number 1. Alright, so we want to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum value of this given function. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first thing is we need to find the critical numbers. So we're gonna have to find the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, alright, so you have two things multiplied together. So this is our first guy, this is our second guy. Right, so we're going to use the product rule to find the derivative. Right, derivative of the first guy is 1, right, and times the second, so it's quantity x plus 1 squared, right, plus first guy is x minus 2, right, multiplied by derivative of the second. So put 2 in front, and then you have x plus 1, right, then subtract 1 from the power and multiply by derivative of inside, which is 1, so I'm not going to write that down. Right, so to clean it up, let's see, 1 times, this doesn't really do anything, I'll just clean that up. So we have this. Then let's see, let's find the common factor. So you can see that there's x plus 1 right here, and also there are two of them, x plus 1 right here. Right, so I'm going to factor that out. So you have x plus 1. Alright, then let's pick up the leftover terms. So you have x plus 1. So there's another x plus 1 from the first term. Right, then I'm going to have to distribute 2 to x and also negative 2. So you will get plus 2x minus 4. Right? So you can see that this is going to be, if you pick up the like terms, you have 3x and 1 minus 4, so it's negative 3. Alright, you can see that 3 is also in common, so I'll pull 3 out. So x plus 1. Alright, so 3x, so 3 is out, so you have x. Negative 3, 3 is out, so negative 1. Alright, so we set this guy equal to 0. Right, then we will have two critical numbers. So x equals positive 1 and a negative 1. So plus or minus 1. Alright, so in this case, the interval is from 0 to 3. So therefore, we should only consider the positive 1. Right, negative 1 is not on this interval. Right, so there are 3 possible places we have to look at, and the first one is the left endpoint, which is 0. Right, so let's plug it in. So if you plug in 0, 0 minus 2, so it's negative 2, times 0 plus 1 squared would be 1. So value is negative 2. Right, then next possible place is the critical number 1. Right, so if you plug in 1, you have 1 minus 2, so it's a negative 1, times 1 plus 1 squared, so 2 squared, 4. So you get negative 4. Right, then last possible place would be 3, which is equal to, if you plug in 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Right, 3 plus 1, 4 squared would be 16. So we get 16. Alright, so we know which one is the largest. So 16 is the largest, so this is our absolute maximum. Right, and also the smallest value is negative 4, so this is our absolute minimum value. Right, Got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.